My name is Chrome and I live in this badass cargo van, and today we're going to be installing some wall panels, and slowly over the next couple of days or weeks we're going to make this place look like home. This van feels more like home than any place I've ever lived my whole life. Every condo, every freaking house, everything. This place feels so much like home. I just figured now that we're going on 8 months full time in the van, it's time to make it look like home. And while I'm sitting here waiting for my friend to show up to get this job started, get work started, to get my van stuff started, actually just an excuse to drink some beer, I'm sure. But as I'm sitting here waiting for him, I realize I've never had a friend of mine on this channel. You guys have never met any of my friends. So today is gonna be that day, and you're gonna like Terrence. He's a great guy, been a friend of mine for freaking a long time. Anyway, let's drive down the street to where he works, because I think he's off pretty soon.
Hi, buddy. You remember me? You remember me? You were a little guy last time I saw you. You were a little guy. Hi.
That's my buddy Terrence. Just about there. Another thing we're gonna do is behind this, it's gonna stay out. I wanna leave it out that far because I have a notch cut out on the back side here.
Okay. This
goes right over top of the fuel door, but when I put this in there, I realized that fucking that space is so convenient. So underneath the van here, I had moisture underneath it, and I noticed the other week when I pulled out my side piece, I peeled it up and it was kind of wet underneath here. And I thought it was actually like holes, but whoever had the van before me, I ended up putting Bondo over all the screw holes. Turns out the moisture was only down this channel, making Disco the culprit, because I'm guessing the water went in underneath this side and all the way back. Did you make my floor wet? Did you do it? Before we start putting stuff in here, I'll show you guys what I did. On the side where the windows would have been in the van, I just covered it in the pink foam board, and underneath that pink foam board is another layer of the 1/2-inch foam I put on my roof. So it was good because it covered the bare metal, and that's where you're gonna get your condensation from, at least what I figure out anyway. And along the side there and all the major cavity pieces, I just stuffed in pink foam insulation and put the reflectix over it because I didn't like the look of it, and it worked. Like, I mean, I'm guessing where your climate is gonna depend on what you need. If you're in freezing ass cold weather, I would probably insulate. And the roof of the van was just 2 1/2-inch layers. And I'm just gonna sit here and I'm probably gonna crack a beer and watch Terrence work. Look at these panels. These things are so awesome. I think they're gonna look wicked in the van.
Agreed.
Huh?
Agreed.
Hey, sir. What's up, man? Cheers to being my first friend in the vlog. What are you doing to help, buddy? Are you doing anything to help? What are you doing? Are you our foreman? Are you the boss? Me and Terrence took a little road trip to Home Depot because I didn't get enough screws and washers and stuff. But on the way back, we stopped down at like one of my favorite places. You guys have all seen this place. And check out what's hanging up there. Can't see that. It's like a big, what's that, clay?
I don't know what it is. Plaster.
That is so sick. Hold on, let me try and get a camera shot. I think we're supposed to be working on my van, I think.
We're supposed to be working. At least drinking beer.
Did I not say that at the beginning of the video?
say that.
I think this is an excuse just to drink beer, and I said that. Coming to help? Is that what you doing? You coming to help? Holy crap, dude. Wow, something as simple as like a $40 board. Yeah, man, it looks so good. I'd like to say we, but Terrence got one wall up.
No, we got one wall up.
And what we're doing for the other wall is just making some templates because we got some weird corners and stuff here to go around. So what I did here is just kind of cut a template so when he cuts the board, it'll fit nicely in around that plastic piece. And, well, if it's messed up, it's probably going to be my fault. But it looks pretty good. I think Disco's having a good time. You having fun, buddy? He is totally covered in sawdust.
There's a bag of treats on top of my desk. There's milk bones galore.
Want a treat? Atta boy. Alright, so he's got a notch out here for the wheel well. That's for the fuel door. That's for just a piece of trim that was just in the way. That was my job, which is probably going to be totally messed up and wrong. And that was for just a little notch they had going up on top. Watch that piece right there that I measured be like the one that messes the
That'll
whole
be the
thing
one
up.
that'll be the other one that'll be right. It's a great shot of my junk.
My friend now or what? Say what? Are you kidding me? This is awesome up here.
Yeah, so I've got a full test kitchen. So we run all the equipment that we use in here, that we sell in here. Set it up for demo.
Look at this pizza. So good. I don't know how we're supposed to work after a nice big meal like that. Oh wait, hold on a second. I haven't been working. It's been this guy. I just take orders like, hey, hold this.
Perfect.
What have you done, Disco? Less than me. That's good. Is it bad that I can't even read that? I can't.
Here we go.
Couple old guys. please hold the dustpan?
Pretend.
This guy not only did 99.99, I don't know, something percent
He
of,
wouldn't have done it right anyway.
yeah, I would have messed it up. And now he won't even let me sweep the floor.
That's what I was referring to.
I bought the pizza, but that doesn't even cover anything.
That covers it all.
Terrence, thank you, man.
You are welcome.
All right, guys, we're done for this video. I'll probably shoot some B-roll tomorrow when I'm at the beach to get some shots of the inside.
The beach.
While this guy's at work, I'll be sitting at the beach. And yeah, anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. And I'll see you guys soon. Adios, weirdos.